Hello everyone. As you all might have guessed, our project is based on rice husk ash by the project title named Effect of Cement by Partial Replacement of Rice Husk Ash. Rice husk ash is a byproduct of rice, and rice husk ash is obtained by burning rice husk in presence of oxygen. Our aim is to attain maximum percentage of replacement of cement by rice husk ash without much change in its characteristics. Generally, a concrete mix involves three basic materials, that is, cement, sand, and aggregate. What we have done is we have replaced cement with rice husk ash and silica fumes, where silica fumes is replaced at a constant percentage of 10%, and rice husk ash is replaced with the cement by 10, 15, and 20%. We have also used an admixture named SNF 3040 for proper workability. The type of sand used is determined by carrying out the compressive strength test of mortar mix of three types of sand, namely river coarse, river fine, and crust sand for 3 days as shown in the table. Now coming to the methodology, it involves three main basic steps, which includes casting of concrete in cube molds, by which it is then subdivided by two trial mixes. First, the standard mix, and second, by replacing the cement by 10, 15, and 20%. The second step involves the curing of concrete in water tank. And the third step involves determining this compressive strength for 7 and 28 days. Coming to the results, the determination of compressive strength in modified concrete mix is done in accordance with the standard trial mix. The standard trial mix is just a basic cement sand aggregate based mix with no replacement of cement, while modified concrete mix is a cement replaced mix by rice husk ash at a percentage of 10, 15, and 20% at constant of 10% silica included with rice husk ash. Here's this table showing the results of compressive strength at 7 and 28 days for both standard as well as modified trial mixes. Here M is the standard mix without any replacement and admixture. T1 is the average of all trial mixes with 10% replacement of cement with RHA and extra 10% of silica fumes. T2 is an average of all trial mixes with 15% replacement of cement with rice husk ash and extra 10% of silica fumes. T3 is an average of all trial mix with 20% replacement of cement with rice husk ash and extra 10% of silica fumes as a filler. M1 is the final mix with 10% replacement of cement with rice husk ash and extra 10% of silica fumes as filler with admixture solution. Whereas M2 and M3 are the final mixes with replacement of 15 and 20% with rice husk ash and extra 10% at silica fume as a filler with admixture solution. Now coming back to the table, we can observe that the compressive strengths at 7 and 28 days of concrete of mix M3, which is 13.33 and 23.75 Newton per mm square, comes in par with the standard mix M having compressive strengths 13.8 and 24.44 Newton per mm square. Per se, it's a win-win. Also, there's a graphical representation of a compressive strengths at 7 and 28 days for a future reference. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.